everyone, it's Tammy and I have a haul from JoAnn's. Now you haven't seen me do that very often because I am, well, I'm not a huge fan of JoAnn's usually because I can never find what I'm looking for, or they'll let you buy things online and say that they'll deliver them to the store, or you can pick them up at the store and they don't seem to have them. And this, I've been burnt more than once and it's kind of been disheartening. But I am in Wisconsin in my hotel and I had some free time, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna check out the JoAnn's here and see how it is. Sorry, I'm like spinning in my chair. So this is a new background because I'm in the hotel room. So I found some cute bags first. So I got this cute Halloween bag. And I don't know if you guys have been to JoAnn's and know what I'm talking about, but they have these bags up front. And then there's a cute fox bag. And they are, you know, pretty big. And then they have even a bigger sized bag. This one says trick or treat. I'm going to use this bag to take some food to my daughter. I'm going to be doing a freezer meal for her on Friday. And she lives in her first apartment, so I'm going to take her some freezer meals, and I thought that I would put them in that bag. So I also stopped at Dunkin' Donuts and got myself an iced coffee. It is quite enjoyable. So let's see, let me just start with the smallest things. Well, they're not small things, but there's only 2 things in this bag, and I don't know that I'll keep them in here. I'll probably move them because I do have to still pack and get everything back. But they had these for $1.47 and they are just, there's 2 of them, I hope. Yes. 2 disposable baking dishes with lids. So I can put a dip or whatever I want in here for Katie and she can bake in it. It is bake, serve, dispose, and it's onions, oven safe. So I thought this might be nice for a couple of the freezer meals. Oven safe, so I don't know if it's freezer safe. Well, we'll see, I guess. And then I also found these for $1.47. They were on clearance. And there's 2 of these also, and they are just little muffin pans. And I might make her some muffins just to have, so we'll see. There's those. And then I got one more. They had loaf pans too, so I went ahead and did that. I figured this would be good for meatloaf or something like that too, and she loves meatloaf, so I don't think I'm having that on this month, on this rotation, but I'll make it for her another time. And then, so if you guys have been following me for a little bit, you know that my daughter has a boyfriend and she is in love with him, and she is probably pretty close to getting engaged. I'd say the next year or so, less than a year, it'd be my guess, honestly. So they had a bunch of things on sale in the bridal section, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and get some stuff because I know I'll need it, and why not get it when it's on sale? So what did I get? I got, these are little lights. I don't know if I'm gonna use these even for anything on the shower, but it shows it on a bouquet and it has it lit up. But I thought it was neat just to have, and it lights up, so I thought that was kind of neat. Just some, I mean, I even kind of thought maybe cards or something, I could make them light up. We'll see. And then they had these favor bags, and they only had 2 of this pattern, but I really liked this flower. So, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in each bundle, and they were $4.47 each. That's a little bit pricey, maybe. Maybe, but $5 for 8 bags. It's a little pricey now that I'm looking at it that way, but oh well. They're cute. They are 4 inches by 5 inches by 2 inches, so they're just small bags. I figure there's only 16, so I don't know that we'll have enough for favors for the party, but we could put bridesmaids presents or something like that in there too, depending on what there is. And I figured I'd just go ahead and pick those up since they were on sale, and I liked the flower pattern. I like the flower pattern so much that I got these also, and these are $3.97, and it is wishes for the bride and groom, and you can just write your wish for the bride and groom on here, and then it says love, and you can put your name. And there's 24 of these, and I really think that 24 will be enough for the shower that I'm going to throw for her. And if it's not, I'll figure something out. Lisa and I are crafty. We'll work on it. Then I found this, and this might be my favorite thing yet. This is 8 frame charms, and they are little frames, and it has the little plastic that goes over them, and then there's a little ribbon. And what you do is you can put this on your bouquet and have people that you love that aren't able to make it at the wedding. So like my mom and dad, her dad's mom, we can have pictures of them on the bouquet so that she, you know, they'll still be with her and she can feel them. I thought that was really cute. So there's that. They had gold and silver of those, and I picked the silver. I also got these. These were the thank you notes. There's 25 of them. And I'm gonna open it up. Yeah, they just say thank you. I thought they were really pretty. So that's nice. And it has envelopes. Ooh, and they're gold lined envelopes. Very nice. So those were $5. And I haven't told her that I got any of this stuff because, you know, I don't want to make her feel rushed, and I don't want her to feel any certain way, but I know that I will want to throw her a shower, even if it's just for my friends. So if she doesn't like this stuff and it's like, Mom, that's not what I'd pick, that's fine. She doesn't have to pick. She just has to show up for the shower. So I also found this. It's a bride and groom handkerchief set, and I thought it was really cute. I don't know. I thought it was neat. And I found this pretty ribbon. I'm going to use this to make something for my door, I think. Maybe like a bow, and then maybe put boo underneath it or something. I don't know. And then I found these games, and I got 24 of them. And it says, he said, she said, guess who said it, and circle the kiss or the mustache. So if you think she said it, you'd put it here. And if you think he said it, you'd put it here. I noticed the other first. I asked for their number first. I said, I love you first. I am the better driver. I am the thriftier shopper. I usually wash the dishes. I am the better cook. I am the better dancer. I am more organized. I am the night owl. I am the early bird. I am more forgetful. And then you can score it and put your name. So that's kind of fun. And then I got another game, and it is the guess what's in, or what is in my purse, what's in your purse game. And so you get different points for having different things, and then you can total it up and you win. And these are just really nice, like really heavy duty cardstock. And I thought they were cute with being a little purse. So I got 24 of those also. So plenty to play some games. What else did I get? Oh, I got a cute little ghost flag for my door. These were all 40% off, so I did that. And these stickles were 50% off, so I got some pretty colored stickles. This one is, oh, does it tell me? Cosmic, I don't know where it might tell me. I'm sorry, but it has these 3 colors, purple, pink, and green. And then I got another set of kind of green ones, but this one is sea glass, peacock, and cool mint. Those I can see. And this one is icicle, black diamond, and mercury glass. So they're pretty. I got 3 of those. I really like to use stickles, so that was fun. And then I found these, and these were on sale, and I thought, you know what, this is kind of cute. You make little pretzel rods, and you put them in the little bag. And this is just the bag with the zip ties, or whatever that's called. Not zip ties, whatever they're called. cannot remember the name of them. Whatever, you guys know what I'm talking about. The little twist ties. Right there that you put on. And I thought that was really cute. And I thought that would be cute as just little gifts or even favors for her wedding. I don't know. I was just going nuts. A couple more wedding things and then three more things, I guess. 2 more wedding things and then this is invitations and envelopes, and it's just a blank piece of paper. I think it's really pretty, but I'm not going to use these as the invitations. I don't know what I'm going to use these for, but it would even be nice for her to have just little stationery if that's what we decide. But we have a different idea for wedding invitations. Lisa is going to help me with those, and she did them for a wedding already, or a shower already, and they're so cute. So we'll have to show you those when it's time, but I thought these were really cute. We can use them for something. And then I was silly and I even got the menu and then our party. So I thought this was cute because then I could put down like the agenda of what's happening for the day and then the menu of what we're serving, because I don't know, I'm kind of silly. And I figured, you know what, why not get it? If I didn't get it and I wanted it, I'd be upset. And if I do get it and I don't use it, I can use it for something else, I think. I'll be fine. And I don't know if it's the menu on one side. I think it might be. I don't know. It is tightly closed. So I think maybe it's blank on one side and has our party on one side and menu on the other side. So I don't know, but I'll use those for whatever. And then I found this, which I thought was really cute because you guys know she is a student teacher, and I'm going to put her name on this. I had gotten something at the Dollar Tree that was really hot pink, and it really wasn't exactly what I wanted, but this is a lot closer to what I want. So I will be able to use this, and I think that she will really like it. And I'm going to hopefully do that and take it to her when I take her meals. And then two more things. One more little thing, which is just some purple and white twine. I love baker's twine, and I really like these colors, and it was 50% off, so I got that. And this was also 50% off, and it is Damask Love Wild Card Project Pad, and it has stuff to do. It has stickers, glitter paper, and cardstock, and it includes envelope template and some cute little stickers, all bright and cheery and foodie. And there's pizza and ice cream, and there's die cuts that you can cut out, just all sorts of fun things. And I just thought it was really cute. Different colored papers, glitter, flamingos, those are cutouts, and it's ice cream paper. There's coffee cutouts, coffee paper, you know I loved that. Chocolate. So I don't know, I just thought it was really cute, and it was $5 because it was half off. So I went ahead and got that. I think I'll have some fun with it. Oh, here are the little different, like, these are like different cards that you can make. I just thought it was really cute. Actually, it's not cards, it's ephemera sheets. 6 ephemera sheets, 6 cardstock pieces, 6 pattern papers, 251 stickers, and 4 specialty pieces of paper. The flamingos, the glitter, and then a popsicle one that's specialty. I don't know what makes it specialty. Trying to find the specialty one so I can see what might be special about it. Well, I don't really know. I understand the glitter. I can't tell any difference, but that might just be because I'm not looking hard enough and it's still sealed and I don't have my scissors handy. So that is everything I got at JoAnn's. I think I really like it. I spent about $100, so not too bad. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye-bye.